Attention Ethereum holders, Ethereum is about to do something for the very first time all year long. It's time to pay attention. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to be jumping into the price action, what's going on right here in Ethereum, and what's just happened down here. But first, this is your last chance for that masterclass. Jump on the masterclass now. We're about to pull the plug. The seats are nearly full. Get my plan for this bear market and this next bull so you can make a lot more money. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. We're about to pull the plug. Prices are about to increase. Lock in this massive discount right now. I'm talking to you. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. You're going to need this to make a lot more money. If you're somebody who's in need, a single mom, single dad, I love doing things for people who are in need. If you want this course, but it's a little bit out of your price range, send me an email, but do it really, really fast. info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. If you go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com and this page is not here, we pulled the plug. Go there right now. Check it out before it's too late. Back to Ethereum. I want to talk about what's happening with price action. First time all year. We have to start right here with the stochastic RSI. Our momentum is heading up. And now we need to talk about what's happening with the RSI. So we're on the weekly chart for Ethereum USD. And what we've noticed on the RSI is we had a high back here in January of 2021. And then for the entire year of 2021, we created a lower high, another lower high, another lower high, another lower high, another lower high. And now we're moving into 2022. And it's been the same story for all of 2022. So literally all of 2021 and all of 2022, we've been in a downtrend with the RSI. Remember, the RSI is overbought, oversold. This is a telltale sign. You'll see this typically in all bear markets, right? You'll see this in your favorite altcoin. But what you want to look for is this breakthrough. This is a momentum play. This is foreshadowing of what's to come. You can clearly see that Ethereum has been trying to build a base back here and as early as January 2022, January of this year, we're trying to build this base. We bottomed out here. We're trying to hold that base. We're trying to consolidate and build this base, this market structure in the RSI for the next leg of the bull run. All right. That's what Ethereum is doing literally at this moment. But we just broke through for the first time. And let's see how many days it's been. We broke through for the first time in 650 days. 650 days we broke through here. This is a monumental sign for Ethereum. Again, this doesn't mean Ethereum is going to go up today or tomorrow. Who cares about today or tomorrow? That's not where you're going to make all your money or lose all your money. You're going to make all of your money or lose all of your money on the next major move for Ethereum, which it's giving foreshadowing for right here. But it all comes down to the price action. Everything comes down to the price action. And what you'll notice here is the 21 MA. We're on the monthly, and you'll look at the entire history of Ethereum. It really respects this 21 MA. And now we're getting into what Ethereum is about to do for the very first time all year long. For the 21 MA, you can see during the bull run, we typically hold it as beautiful support. Even in these large corrections, it's coming right down to the 21 MA. Same here in September of 2017. Huge correction, but came right down to the 21 MA, held support, and went into its next leg. The exact opposite is true during the bear market. During the bear market, we hold the 21 MA as resistance. Case in point right here, April 2018. So this line right here, this moving average for Ethereum is the most critical one. You can see once we finally broke through here, that's when we were off to the races. But then we got rejection once, we got rejection twice, we got rejection 3 times. You can see that this is a telltale sign. So for this whole bull run, we were holding it as support. This was kind of an anomaly. Right here, this group of candles below here, this was foreshadowing. This was telling us, hey, there's some turmoil with Ethereum that nobody wants to address because everybody at the time was thinking Ethereum 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 30,000, 100,000, whatever the crazy numbers were, they were in. But this was a telltale sign, and we'll use this in the future to see if there is incredibly large turmoil brewing, because you can see what happened after that. But since then, this was our last candle in December of 2021, right? Over a year ago. This was the last candle that we held as support on this 21 MA. And it's been a battle. You may say, well, Steve, how about this candle and this candle? These candles are not support on the 21 MA. They are literally, the bodies are not holding as support on the 21 MA. You can see the body below here, the body below here. But what Ethereum is getting ready to do, and it's going to try to do over the course of this week we're in right here, is try to close above the 21 MA for the first time all year long. Now, I want to explain if I think it's going to happen, and then I want to explain what that means for Ethereum. So first, we have to understand the significance of closing above the 21 MA for the first time all year. If you look at the past bear market and when we actually closed above for the first time, it was with this candle right here on March 18th, 2019. Look at what price action did after that. Look, this is men lie, women lie. The charts don't lie. These are the facts in the charts. We were holding as resistance all for this whole period here. You can look at how many days this was below. We're talking about 371 days, a little over a year, same as right now, a little over a year. We were holding it as resistance and finally held it as support, and then boom, explosion in price. Now, do I think Ethereum is going to see a similar explosion in price? We'll get to that, but make no mistake, closing above a level that is historically resistance during a bear market and finally closing it as support is major. Make no mistake about it. You can look at our past little trouble we had here, and we finally held as support here in January of 2017, and you can look at what happened since then. So we are trying. This was our breakthrough candle. We're trying to get a confirmation candle, right? We tried to get confirmation candles here. We couldn't. We tried to get above here. We couldn't. We tried to get above here. We couldn't. This is our breakthrough candle, the first one that we've seen all year, and we're trying to have our confirmation candle. Now, do I think Ethereum will close above here as support? So we do have a couple days before the end of the week before it closes, but it's looking like we're going to close our first candle above here. Now, does this mean Ethereum is going to go straight to the moon? I hope not, because we're still building our market structure, and we're going to need some stronger market structure for Ethereum to really make some noise in the next bull run. So I hope Ethereum does not explode. I don't expect it to explode up to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. I don't think we're going to see any move like that. And we could make some clickbait titles to get more views to say Ethereum to 10,000, and then everyone will love us. But we just talk about the facts and the charts. We don't try to please anybody. That's why people respect our channel. But I do think it's going to close above here, and I do think that this is the start of something for Ethereum trying to turn the corner. We do have some momentum in our favor, and we do have the RSI in our favor. We're really trying hard to build a beautiful base here, and we're on our way to doing something nice. Now, a little quick tip: when you build this trend line, you want to have 3 touch points. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 touch points. But with Ethereum, things are looking good. I'm excited. I think we're going to close above, and I think this is going to be the start of the next nice 6-month run for Ethereum. More to come. Hit that subscribe button. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. If you see this page, you're in luck. You better sign up quick, because we are about to pull the plug. This is your last chance. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.